Alright guys, this video is from Ayurveda, India's oldest and most ancient system of natural healing. Today we are uncovering the secrets of a powerful DIY hair oil that blends traditional ingredients like amla and Bhringraj to combat hair fall and promote healthy hair. So, stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process and bring the wisdom of Ayurveda into your hair care routine. Come on, let's dive in. Our first ingredient is celebrated in Ayurveda for its sacred and transformative properties. With its rich antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, it nurtures the scalp and helps reduce hair fall. This herb is none other than Tulsi or holy basil, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic wisdom. Now, this herb is a hidden gem in Ayurvedic tradition. This potent herb works wonders in calming the mind and reducing hair fall. This remarkable ingredient is Jatamansi. Curry leaves support strong, vibrant hair and protect against damage and premature aging. Next is Indian gooseberry, a must-have in Ayurvedic hair care. Next we have fenugreek leaves, commonly known as kasuri methi, rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which are known to strengthen hair roots and reduce hair fall. Bhringraj is often considered a miracle herb in Ayurveda for its comprehensive benefits in maintaining and enhancing hair health. Next, have a look on shikakai. It's a versatile herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurveda to maintain strong, healthy, and beautiful hair. The only precaution you need to take while using shikakai is to remove its seeds, as they can be harsh on the scalp and hair. Very few people know that wild turmeric can actually promote hair growth. We will also add neem powder for overall hair health. With castor oil on your side, you are all set to elevate your hair health to new heights. Now, introducing the foundation of our hair care recipe, coconut oil. This nourishing elixir is packed with essential fatty acids that deeply condition, strengthen, and add incredible shine to your hair. Check out the ultimate lineup for our Ayurvedic hair care powerhouse. Each ingredient a key player in your journey to healthier hair. From the rejuvenating power of Tulsi to the superhero strength of castor oil, we have got everything you need to transform your hair routine. Now let's dive into the process now. We'll begin by grinding some of our key ingredients to unlock their full potential. Grinding these ingredients brings out their essential oils and nutrients, setting the stage for a nourishing hair treatment. Our goal is to create a very fine powder from these ingredients. Achieving this fine texture is crucial because it ensures that the active compounds are fully released and evenly distributed in our hair oil. After grinding the ingredients to a fine powder, we'll move on to the next step of our hair care ritual, where the real magic of our recipe begins to unfold. Now it's the time to add wild turmeric and neem powder to this mixture. Mix the ingredients thoroughly to ensure every bit of goodness is mixed in. Next, fill an empty tea bag with this mixture. Friends, this step is optional, but it can help keep the ingredients together and make it easier to use. I'll share more about this step later in this video. Now it's time to heat things up. Literally. We'll first add coconut oil, followed by castor oil. Blend the oils together so their unique properties merge into a perfect concoction for healthier hair. When these oils come together, it looks absolutely elegant. Once the oil is hot, add the Indian gooseberries to it. Mix these for about 2 minutes to ensure a complete blend. Then add the tea bag filled with the mixture we prepared earlier, letting it steep and infuse its goodness into the oil. Add the rest of the ingredients directly into the oil. The tea bag step is optional. It's a convenient way to keep the ingredients together and makes for easier removal. But adding everything directly to the oil can be just as effective. Give everything a super mix, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. Then allow the mixture to cook for 20 minutes on a very low flame. This slow cooking process helps to fully extract and blend the beneficial properties of each ingredient into the oil. When you notice a thick layer of froth building up, it's time to switch off the flame. This froth indicates that the oil has absorbed all the goodness from the ingredients, signaling that the cooking process is complete. Squeeze out the tea bag to extract any remaining goodness. Then mix its contents into the final blend. This ensures that you capture every last bit of the beneficial properties of your hair oil. Store the oil in a glass airtight bottle to preserve its potency. Strain the oil through a cloth to remove any remaining solid particles. This step ensures a smooth, clear oil ready for use. Watch as the oil filters out, revealing a vibrant green color, a beautiful sign of all the nourishing ingredients we have infused into this blend. For best results, use it within 6 months. Now that your Ayurvedic hair oil is ready, you have got a powerful blend packed with the benefits of nature's finest ingredients. Apply it regularly to enjoy stronger, healthier, and more vibrant hair. Thanks for joining me in this DIY journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural remedies and tips. See you in the next video. Until then, stay radiant.